How to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. Now there might be a couple of reasons why Google Chrome is not opening. One of them might be that your file is corrupted or there is some sort of bug in Google Chrome. Now let's try to fix it. Step 1 is to right click on the Windows icon, and from here you want to click on Task Manager. Now go to Processes and you want to find Google Chrome. Right click on it and click on End Task. Once you have done that, you want to open up Google Chrome and check if your issue has been resolved. If it is still not resolved, let's head to Step 2. Open up your search bar and search for Google Chrome. Now right click on it and you want to click on the option that says Open File Location. Find Google Chrome and right click on it. Now you want to click on Rename. So you can simply name this Chrome 1. After renaming, right click on it and click on a pin to start, or you can also add this to your favorite. Then you want to open Google Chrome from here and it should open up without any issue. But if it's still not opening, then there is still another thing that you can do. Step 3 is to open up another web browser and search for google.com/Chrome. Once you do that, you're going to find the option to download Chrome from here. So click on this option and then install another Google Chrome. Now this is going to override the previous Google Chrome and you can open up a fresh version of Google Chrome and there should be no issue opening that up. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.